Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Hi, welcome to Battle of the Stitches. This is week 3 for March of 2025. And the stitch that we're doing this month is the wide double crochet. So I'm excited. I've been seeing lots of projects being posted on our Facebook page. If you're not a part of the Facebook page, please join our Facebook page because we're giving away prizes for people who post projects on the Facebook page that they've made up with the stitch of the month. And it's exciting to see what everybody's making. I'm very excited to see what everybody who's competing with us this month is making. And I have everybody listed in the description, so go check them out. If I am able to figure it out, I'm also going to kind of put links to their channels somewhere in the video. And if I can't figure it out, I'm sorry. I'm still learning some new things and I'm trying to get better at all of these things. But as you can see with the wide double crochet this month, I decided to do a cowl. And I know we're kind of getting to the end of this kind of season for this kind of stuff. So this will be the last super warm thing that I'm going to do for the year. But I thought that stitch would work up really well as a cowl because it will keep you warm, but it won't be stifling hot because there's a little bit of breathing in this pattern. So what do you think? We have our voting polls open. You can vote on everybody's channel for the project that you like the best. And then come back next week. We're doing our live on Monday night and see who won the voting polls. And if you leave a comment in the voting polls, because just voting, we only see the numbers, but if you leave a comment, we'll know that you were there, even if it was like, I voted, or looks good, or something like that. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Then just positive, please. Then we'll put you in a drawing to win the project that gets the most votes. So I'd love to see you voting and I'd love to see what everybody has done. And we'll see you Monday for the live. Bye.